So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Luminous, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para mag-update ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Luminous, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is light and heat. So for this video, we will differentiate what is light and what is heat, and ano ba yung mga uses niya sa ating everyday life and sa ating mga gamit, sa ating tahanan and sa ating environment. So before we start our lesson, so syempre meron tayong trivia for today. So this is from Mental Floss. So in 1998, a Georgia student was suspended for wearing a Pepsi shirt to Coke Education Day. So, yan. So, di ba, syempre magkaibang brand yung Pepsi and Coca-Cola. So, it was a trivia na nasuspend yung Georgia, student from Georgia because of wearing Pepsi shirt in Coke Education Day. So, yan ang ating trivia for today. So, nandito na tayo sa ating commencing the lesson. So, let's start and let's find out kung ano yung mga knowledge na magigain natin for this topic. Do you know that scientists finally knew that light was form of energy because they learned that it moved? They also used to think of heat as a kind of matter. They even tried to weigh it. But they found out that no matter how hot or cold an object was, its weight was the same. If heat, which they gave the name caloric, had no weight, could it be matter? So, yung mga scientists natin, napaka-investigative nila about something. So, they need to study, they need to have a trial and errors to prove or to have a hypothesis on something. So, they weigh the heat. So, if heat, they name it as caloric. So, it has no weight. So, could it be matter? So, next tayo. What is light? We can see light. Light helps us to see. The Earth's main source of light is the sun. Who else gives off light? So, for example, the stars, this bonfire, this candle, this street lamp, and yung sa car. So, for example, the stars, the sun, sila yung mga natural na nagbibigay ng light. So, yung mga artificial lights like headlights, mga LED lights, mga bombilya. So, that's the artificial lights that we can use in our house and in our home. So, yan. Next tayo, they are luminous. They give off their own light. The moon does not give off its light. It's not luminous. The moon reflects the light of the sun. So, di ba, nagkakaroon tayo ng times and full moon and super bright ng ating night. Super gandang maglakad ng ganong time. And moon is not luminous. It's non-luminous type. So, the moon reflects the light of the sun. White light is made up of different colors. The rainbow colors red, the RGB R, red, O, orange, Y, yellow, green, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. So, white light is made up of rainbow colors. So, yun yung mga kasama sa mga kulay na makikita natin sa rainbow. Black is not a color, but the absence of light. So, kasi nga, ang black, pag black lang talaga, so, there's nothing. So, super dark, and wala ka talaga makikita kahit ano. That's why black is not a color. So, this is the color, the rainbow. So, I colored this when I was grade 3. Grade 3 yata ako nun, or grade 4. Kinulayan ko siya. So, ayan. So, nagsisimula siya sa baba. So, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, dati nung bata ako, I was very happy pag nakakita ko ng rainbow. And, hanggang ngayon, para pa rin akong batang natutuwa kapag may rainbow, kapag may moon, kapag nakakakita ako ng mga, nakakapagpa-picture ako sa mga skies na different colors. Last time, nung simbang gabi, it was color violet na pink, mayroong times na it was orange, it was a golden scenery. So, ayan. So, as a human, I was really fascinated and really interested about the rainbows and saan nga bang dulo ng bahaghari. So, I've never seen that kind of, di ko pa nakikita yung dulo ng bahaghari, but there are some videos that some people witness na nakita nila yung dulo ng bahaghari. So, ayan. So, how does light travel? Light travels around outward from a source in all directions, in straight line called rays. The halo of light around a lit candle show this. So, ayan. So, yun yung sinasabi niyang halo. So, yung nakapalibot na parang circle, that's the halo. So, yung light travels outward from a source of light. So, it is called rays. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions about our videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.